Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tutorials. Today I'm back with another video where I will take you guys through MS PowerPoint. This is a Microsoft tool that is used for designing presentations in the form of slides. You have seen, for example, in the churches, whereby you are attending a mass and you see different slides talking about the, let me say, readings of the day. They normally put those things in slide manner. So what they use there is the PowerPoint. So I think you have already seen such things before, and I'm just now going to put more emphasis and show you what you didn't know about it. And for those ones who are new, you are at the right position. You learn all that you need to know about MS PowerPoint. So for today's lecture, we shall cover how to create a PowerPoint file and save it in a folder. Then later on, we shall also learn how to create slides and alter those slides. So let us start by creating a folder on the desktop. Let me just name it as PowerPoint. So let us search for MS PowerPoint. Just type PowerPoint and click on enter to open it. For those ones who are using PowerPoint Office 2016, it is still okay. The concept of doing work here remains the same. So when it opens, it gives you the first one as the blank presentation. Let me take you through the overview of how PowerPoint interface looks like. We have more themes here. If you click on this, it will give you all these different themes. However, this one is already predefined. These are templates. We call them templates. That means they already designed them by Microsoft, let me say. So if we happen to use one of these, that means you will not know how they give a background color of gray, dark gray, this one some red and white. So for beginners, it is always good for you to start with a blank presentation, and that's what I'm going to use. So you click on blank presentation. So this is our blank presentation. We have opened it. I'm going to close the Camtasia interface since we don't need the Camtasia interface. Yeah, we shall use this one, which is the one for beginners. So at the moment we already have one slide, and in our lecture for today I'm going to show you how to create different slides and also alter them. So now we have opened our MS PowerPoint, and before we do anything, let us save in our folder. Click on save, then you click on save as. We browse so that we go to the desktop. Click on desktop and double click on PowerPoint. So now let's give our file as PowerPoint 1. Click on save. So now we have saved our file. So before we start creating mini slides, I would love to first take you guys through the ribbons here, the general interface of MS PowerPoint. We shall cover under file, we have save, which you have already seen. So I'll not again take you back. Under file we have save as, print. For the print, that's if you want to print out your slides. If you have connected your machine to the printer, then that's when you can be able to use this print function. But since we are not connected right now, we shall just look at how you can create a new blank presentation and all that. Those are the things which are under file. And then under home, we shall look at how to create slides, layouts, how to reset and look at different sections. Then by the time we finish home, we shall also go to insert. By the way, for those ones who have been following MS Word tutorial on my channel, if you have completed that one also, then looking at this PowerPoint will be a walkthrough. It will be much easier because you have already covered most of the things when we are looking at MS Word. How to insert pictures, screenshots, photo album, how to insert shapes, how to also insert a table, smart art and charts. We have looked at most of these things when we are in the MS Word tutorial on Softtech. So we shall also look at design, how we can give different backgrounds for all the slides, give the same color. We shall also look at transitions, how you want your words to be moving. You want them to be pushing, or they have to be fading away, or they should be splitting when the slide is starting. So those are the things which are under transitions. And then also animations, how you want your words to be bouncing and all that. Then shall also look at the slideshow, which is one of the major important things here under MS PowerPoint. Let me say you have already organized all your slides, you have the content there. Instead of you always clicking for it to go to the next slide, there you just need to use this slideshow, and I will show you how to do that when we reach. You shall also look at the review. This way you can check for the spelling of your content using the spelling. In MS Word we term the spelling and grammar, so it is the same concept. Language, how you can also insert a new comment, how you can also show comments. So we shall look at all this. And then under view we shall also look at how to use the slide master. This one is very important because we need to use like one image for all the slides. That one is very good for the uniformity of the slides of your presentation. So we shall also look how to do that. And the add-ins, this is when you are connected to internet. We shall not use them as much. And then this is the help button where you need to, in case you have a problem somewhere and you want to contact Microsoft administrators, you can use that. So now let us come back to our home. I just wanted to take you through the interface of MS PowerPoint, and we're done. So let us look at how we can create a slide. Now we are already having one slide with no title. So here you just need to click on this title section if you want to give a title. For example, let me just give title of Softtech. This is where my title will come. And then here about the subtitle, you just need to give a brief subtitle, or you can even give a description what Softtech tutorials is all about, and then you give more and more description about what you want to talk about. For your case, you will be talking about a different topic. So here I'm just giving you an example, and you can decide to even widen this if you still have more to talk about. Let me say that's my subtitle. This way you can put your subtitle. So now this is just the first slide. If you want to create another slide, it's just a matter of you clicking on new slide. Click on new slide, and here this is where you can choose your layout. You can choose title slide or title and content. I can go with title and content. So here you have to again put your title. Let me say you are dealing with a 5-slide presentation. That means we shall create more 3 slides to make it 5. Here you give your title and then you give your description this way. So this one is already, now we have already looked at the layout. For those of you who might not have known how a layout looks like, the moment you just see a content slide with this table, insert table, and then insert the chart, this one is already one of the layouts that we shall look at. So this is how you can insert a slide. If you want to insert the third one, you just click on new slide, and fourth one. So you can see this is one of the easiest ways how you can insert. So I'm going to show you 2 ways how you can insert a slide. Another method is you just click on the last one. If you want to insert the 6th one, just click on the 5th slide and click on enter. If you want to insert the 7th slide, just click on the 6th one and click on enter. I think this one is also another easy way of inserting slides. So now you can see we have 14 slides and we don't have anything there yet. The lecture for today is to show you how you can insert a slide and then alter the layout. So if you click on the second slide, third slide is just the title. This type of slide is the one with the title, but there is no content. So let me say we wanted to alter this third slide. We want to change the layout. Just click on layout and you can choose comparison. So now we have changed our third slide to comparison layout. We have changed the type of layout here. The same thing if you also want to change the layout of fourth slide, just come to layout. Let me say you want to choose picture with caption. There you have changed that slide. The slide number 4 has now, the layout of slide number 4 has been changed to picture and caption. Same thing to slide number 5. If you want to change the layout, let me say you want to put to content. That means here you put your title and then you can decide to put your text here and you divide your content. Now it is divided. That's why they call it to content. This one and then the second one here. So guys, this is how you can create slides, how you can really come up with slides. You can just be clicking on new slide, or you just click on that slide and you click on enter. Let me say you had forgotten another slide in the middle. Just click on that slide number 14 and you click on enter. So it will extend downwards. It is as easy as that. And if you also want to exchange, let me say, since this one is slide 3, let me give it a title, slide 3. Slide 2, and this is slide 4. If you want to exchange these slides, let me say you want to just bring this slide to number 3, you can drag and drop. That's also another concept that you need to know when you're dealing with slides. You can just drag and then you drop, and you'll be faced with such scenarios whereby you're going to be designing your slides, and let me say the arrangement, you didn't do it very well and you wanted to arrange them. Instead of you deleting and start from afresh, you have to just use the drag and drop method to arrange them according to the way you want. So this is how you can come up with the slides and then change their layouts. So I hope we have finished, we have created our folder already, and we have created our file as PowerPoint 1. We have created slides and we have altered the layouts. So this is all about for today. If you have a laptop, I do encourage you to be practicing what we have learned for today. And before we move to other complicated things which are under insert and design and transitions, this is better you first know how you can create slides. Cut and copy, these ones are the same, the ones we looked at in MS Word. The functionality remains the same. If you are cutting, if you are copying, it is all the same. So that's why I'm not again repeating this. The undo and the do, all those ones, they are the same procedures that we covered. That's why I didn't again come and explain cut and copy. So this is all for today, guys. If you are new to this channel, I highly recommend you guys to subscribe. You can also comment, and I'll be able to get what you have said, and I give you the feedback. That's all for today, and bye.